Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, the weather's been pretty quiet here today, but it has been humid. We had just a few sprinkles and a couple light showers in the area today, but overall pretty quiet. Made it to 86 degrees. Started off warm this morning at 76, and right now we are still holding right around 85 degrees. Look at how high the dew point is. It is very stuffy out there. That humidity is high, and when you look at the dew point numbers, when you start to see these numbers into the upper 70s, we're talking very humid air over us, and that's going to stick around the next couple of days. Well, currently we have 85 degrees in Corpus Christi to Rockport at 82, and Orange Grove and Alice into the upper 80s, near 90 degrees at Alice right now. So feeling the heat across all of the coastal bend this afternoon. Tonight's forecast, we only dropped to 76 again, and we'll continue to see low clouds increasing, perhaps a little patchy fog out there tonight, and there is a slight shower chance. Can't rule out a little bit of rain, but it wouldn't be very much. So with that, tomorrow morning there could be a little bit of rain, certainly not much, a few sprinkles. I know some of us saw some drops on our cars this morning, and that's possible tomorrow. The winds up to 25 tomorrow, nothing too drastic on the wind, but what we're going to be really watching is that cold front getting closer to us. And tomorrow evening, we could start to see storms already by late afternoon and evening. So something to watch late in the day tomorrow as we see the temperatures, well, they're a lot like today, starting warm and hitting into those 80s with high temperatures up to near 90 again in our southwest counties, and right around 80 to 82 at the beaches tomorrow. If you're going to the beach today, we had water coming high up on the beaches. There was a coastal flood advisory until 7 tonight, and that's possible again tomorrow with high tide and the onshore flow we've been seeing. We could see some water higher up on the beaches tomorrow. We're looking at partly sunny skies tomorrow. The water back up to 79 at Bob Hall Pier, and we have a moderate rip current risk continuing. Okay, so the storms today, they've been pushing into northeast Texas, still have severe threats with those, and even the potential for tornadoes, as you can see from those tornado watch boxes near Houston and up through near Jackson. Meanwhile, this system to the north, yep, it continues to come our direction. It's going to be pretty weak by the time it gets here, but it's not going to take much. The air is loaded with moisture. We have a weak frontal boundary, and then on top of that, in the upper atmosphere, there's an area of low pressure that's going to come in on top of that front, and all this combined will bring rain to the coastal bend. When? Starting late in the day tomorrow, we could start to see a few showers and thunderstorms. This is 3:30 tomorrow afternoon. Heading into tomorrow evening and overnight, it's a better chance, and some of these will bring heavy rain. So we're going to have to watch the morning commute Friday. It may have to leave early, travel slowly. There could be a lot of ponding on roadways due to some of that heavy rain overnight. As we head through the day Friday, it tapers off, but then it picks up again. And I think Friday night into Saturday morning, we could see some more storms with some heavy rainfall with them before it finally starts to dry out a little bit by Saturday night, and that leaves us to Mother's Day, which is going to be drier. Potential rainfall amounts here could be several inches. We're talking anywhere from about 2 inches south up to 6 inches just north of Corpus Christi. So we're going to have to watch for periods of rain that will cause some localized flooding here as we head into the weekend. And this is tomorrow. We have a marginal severe threat. It looks like tomorrow is our better chance of getting any severe storms that produce damaging wind or some small hail. It doesn't look like much of that, and of course that heavy rain. So with that, the weekend's looking pretty good. By Sunday's the drier day of the weekend, but there's still a chance we could see a couple of storms around, but overall Mother's Day certainly not a washout. Here's your 7-day forecast brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will buy your car and you don't have to buy one from them, and that's available at the AutoNation store near you. Here's a look at that 7-day. Very humid air, very warm tomorrow. Then we see the temperatures coming down because of all the rain. Periods of showers and thunderstorms Thursday night, Friday, and into Saturday. Ending Saturday night to just isolated storm chances for Mother's Day and as we head into next week. Well, we're getting very close to Hurricane